ready to install them. First, spray them down good with some sugar syrup. Feeds them and keeps them from flying away. Next, you bonk them. Just like that. Spray them again. See, that's the queen right in there in that little cage. Here's the queen inside the cage there. Now you shake them into the hive. When the queen is released, then I put a bunch of frames of honey on the top for them to feast on for the spring, and then we're done. 8 new hives installed, and I did not get stung once.